The next speaker is Ms. ستارہ بروج Akbar. Ms. Sitars, you have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Excellencies and distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. When a child loses a school, they don't just lose their classrooms, they're at risk of losing their dreams. As a non-conventional learner from a small town in Pakistan, I have known some of these struggles myself. After having to leave school at 8 and in absence of traditional schooling, I pursued an alternative accelerated path towards education, completing my IGCSEs, equivalent to high school, at 11 and A-levels at 13, later going on to pursue my postgraduate studies at Oxford University. I was lucky to have support in pursuit of my dreams. Many are not. Children living in conflict zones often have to follow diverse pathways in the absence of formal education, and I have personally known and mentored hundreds of such children who pursue their love for knowledge even in the absence of a classroom. It is important that we both celebrate their success and eliminate common barriers. Some children who grow up in conflict zones lack identity documents, which is used as a reason to prevent them from taking school-leaving exams under current regulations. Others struggle with affording the steep exam fees. Even when they overcome countless challenges, some governments still refuse to recognize their qualifications simply because they came through alternative pathways, despite being examined by the same bodies, to the same material, to the same standards. Such difficulties are the stories of millions around the world. We must consider these unique struggles of children in conflicts when we design our support to understand, empower, and support them. They are symbols of hope, so we must ensure their rights, their freedom to learn, to dream, and to begin again. Thank you.
Give the floor to Ms. ستارہ بروج Akbar.
Thank you, Madam Chair. But first of all, I'd like to begin by thanking the Human Rights Council for choosing such an important topic. And this event for me personally has been a part of the lifelong turning that we spoke about over these 2 days. I learned from the experience of the organizations, from my peers, from all of the distinguished guests who work towards making education a realization and a door of opportunity for children around the world. I think the key message that I understood and that we should take away as well is that education, more than anything else, is about hope and courage. It is our passport to freedom, and it is our courage to believe in our dreams, that our today and our tomorrow can be better than what our past was. And I hope that we can all leave here braver and more hopeful, truer and sincere to our causes, and more determined than when we came in. Thank you.